Zack Snyder is at it again. A week out from his sit down with Dark Knight Returns creator Frank Miller in Los Angeles, Snyder took to Instagram on Saturday to post Henry Cavill's Superman in the black Kryptonian suit with from Zack Snyder Justice League, along with a caption that has Snyderverse fans buzzing. When Stephen Wolf Fall Hope Rises, wrote Snyder. The post is backed by Tom Holkenborg. That's terrible strange. From the Zack Snyder's Justice League score and racked up more than 43,000 likes in its first 5 hours. The comment filled up fast, and notably, fans are now tagging the incoming owner directly. Zack Snyder is the key to save DC. Hashtag Restore Snyderverse. Paramount Pick reads one of the top comments. You can save it, Zack. You can save them all. Restore Snyderverse. Reads another with nearly 700 likes. Henry Cavill's Superman adds another with over 500 likes. Fans are also reading into the black suit itself, with one commenter noting the image evokes Superman re-establishing himself and earning the right to wear the classic blue and red symbol of hope again. Snyder also posted a selfie Friday night from Holland in Pasadena set to Johnny Cash Ring of Fire, writing that the food was absolutely worth the wait as the director stay active and engaged with his fans in the LA area ahead of the Miller event. This makes it two Cavill Superman posts from Snyder in a week, following the director celebrating the 4th of July with Cavill's Superman wrapped in the American flag, said to Bruce Springsteen, born in the USA. The post comes as Man of Steel shoot up streaming chart worldwide as Supergirl collapsed at the box office and as renewed talk swirls that James Gunn could be out at DC Studios. Recall that Paramount is reportedly targeting July 15 to close its acquisition of Warner Bros. Discovery, and as CPN exclusively reported back in March, sources filled us in that Snyder is gung-ho about adapting The Dark Knight Returns and finishing his Justice League arc once the deal is done. So the calendar now read merger reportedly targeted to close July 15 or a week later. Snyder on stage with Frank Miller in Los Angeles on July 18 and San Diego Comic Con kicking off July 23. And in the middle of it all, Snyder posts the black Superman suit and declares that hope rises. Maybe he just like the image the fans tagging Paramount certainly have another idea. CBN will be at the Miller event and at San Diego Comic Con, so stay tuned and like the video, subscribe my channel for updates.